What is a PIN for e-filing taxes? Imagine trying to unlock a door without the right key. That's similar to what a PIN does when you e-file your taxes. It's a special number that keeps your information safe and secure. When you file your taxes online, you need a way to prove it's really you sending the information. That's where a PIN comes in. There are two main types of PINs used for e-filing taxes. The first is called the Identity Protection PIN, or IP PIN. This is a 6-digit number given by the IRS to taxpayers who are confirmed victims of identity theft or who choose to participate in the program. Its main job is to stop someone else from filing a fake tax return using your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. When you file your federal return electronically, you must enter this IP PIN exactly as given. If you don't, the IRS will reject your return, which can delay your refund. The IP PIN changes every year, so you need to use the current one when filing. The second type is called the self-select PIN. This is a 5-digit number you create yourself. It acts as your digital signature when you e-file your taxes. If you don't have an IP PIN, you will need to set up a self-select PIN to sign your return electronically. It's important to keep this number safe because it's part of your security process. Unlike the IP PIN, the self-select PIN doesn't offer extra protection against identity theft, but it is necessary for submitting your taxes online. Other related numbers include the Electronic Filing Identification Number, or UFIN. This is a 6-digit number assigned by the IRS to authorized e-file providers like tax preparers or firms. It allows them to submit returns on your behalf. There's also the Employer Identification Number, which is 9 digits long and used by businesses, not individual taxpayers. For Asian American taxpayers, understanding these PINs is important because identity theft can be more common in immigrant communities. The IP PIN program offers extra security, especially if you or your family have experienced identity theft or want to protect your tax information. You can get an IP PIN by verifying your identity online or through IRS mail. Dependents and spouses can also qualify for an IP PIN if they meet the verification requirements. When you are ready to e-file your taxes, if you have an IP PIN, make sure to enter it exactly as the IRS provided. If you don't have one, create a self-select PIN to sign your return. Always keep your PIN secure and accessible, because you might need it for future filings or to verify your identity with the IRS. Using these PINs helps your tax return process smoothly and keeps your personal information safe from misuse.